comes to the economy. With only a day left, the watchdog on Wall Street, Chris Markowski, will join us now and take a look back at the year that was and look ahead to the year that's coming up and hopefully a much better year coming up. I know you don't want to spend too much time looking back because none of us do. What are you going to remember about 2008? What were the things that really hurt us the most in 2008?
Basically, don't listen to economists because they're wrong 99.9% of the time. Every market rule was basically thrown out the window. If this is supposed to happen, then gold is supposed to go up, and if this is going to happen, it was just a complete disconnect from reality. Completely unique. I've never seen anything like it. I don't think most people have seen anything like it. But I try to take a look at things. I'm a glasses half full type of guy anyway. You take a look at all the things that have happened over the course of this year. I mean, we can go back to the beginning of the year. You know, you're talking Bear Stearns, oil prices up at 150. Wachovia gone, IndyMax gone, Merrill Lynch is gone, Lehman Brothers gone. Now, if we were to do this, go back a year ago, and we were doing this, and I said all these things are going to happen in 2008. We basically want to shut the lights off, dig a bunker in our backyard and stock tuna fish back there because we think we're going to be entering Mad Max.
Yeah.
But we're getting through it, and we're working our way through the system, which is a testament to this country.
Did a lot of it start with the gas prices? Because we all talk about how low gas is now, but remember earlier in the year it was over $4 a gallon.
We were told it was going to go to like 200, 300. It's never going to come down, and I'm like, yeah, whatever. It's just there's a disconnect to reality there, and absolutely it played a part, especially this summer in regards to consumer confidence, spending, a huge part. I mean, it's a huge tax cut right now when we have prices down this low.
Now, are we going to expect better things ahead in 2009, or are we going to have to wait, like I've been hearing some people say, until 2010 before this economy turns around? Well,
I think we're going to slowly but surely start to see the signs. I think that the quarter that we're in right now, as far as economic GDP growth is concerned, is going to be a real downer. It can be anywhere between 4 and 10% to the downside. But interestingly enough, as far as the equity markets are concerned, whenever that has happened in the past, every single time, the market has corrected up to the upside. Let's put the markets aside right now. They kind of lead the economy out of these things. They're more forward-looking. As far as the overall economy is concerned, we've got a major stimulus package coming down the pike. I think a lot is riding on that. Let's hope, at least I'm hoping, that there's a balance. It's not just a bunch of pork going out, ridiculous projects here, there, and everywhere. It's combined with some real infrastructure projects that we need, along with some tax cuts for producers out there and the people that are doing the hiring.
I noticed we just showed the graphic about the Dow Jones was up a little bit today. You said low volume. Has it bottomed out? Have we seen the lowest of the Dow Jones average? Can it go lower, or will it start to come up?
Several weeks ago on my radio show, I said the bottom is probably around 6,000, and it could have gone there. I mean, it could have easily gone there. The only thing that makes stocks go up is more buying than selling. Down, more selling than buying. And you never know what type of geopolitical thing can happen that can drive the markets down. It's a part of the system. That's why you have to be a long-term investor. It's my belief that, yeah, we have bottomed, but no one really knows. If anybody actually tries to tell you that they know where the bottom is and where the top is, those are the Madoff guys. You want to avoid them.
Oh, my gosh. Can consumers start spending again? I know it's a tough thing to get consumer confidence back up to where it used to be. Can we feel safe in spending money and buying a car, buying a big-ticket item?
Well, I guess it all depends on everybody's unique situation. If you can afford to spend money on what you can afford. My budget within my household, in my family, has primarily stayed the same because I'm a big saver anyway. I pay myself every single month, and I've done this for a long period of time. But I'm taking a portion of every single paycheck I make at that very day, and it's going away. Everybody needs to do that. You need to have your budget set. You don't need to go bonkers. You got to enjoy your life. You got to go to Busch Gardens. You got to go to these various different New Year's Eve events, but you need to save as well.
How about the average person? What can they do next year? Anything they can look forward to with the economy hopefully turning around?
Well, like I said, I think that there's going to be a lot of optimism coming forward with the inauguration. I think that that's going to excite people to some degree. I think psychology plays a huge part in our overall economy. If you're constantly being told that things are terrible, things are awful, we're going to be entering the next Great Depression, there's all saying the lie becomes the truth. And I think that that's most certainly happened over the past several months.
All right, Chris, you're going to stay around for a little bit, chatting live for the next few minutes on 10connects.com. We appreciate that. Happy New Year to you, my friend.
As well.
Appreciate all your insight, and let's hope that 09 is a little bit better economically for all of us.
I got a funny feeling.
Okay, good. I hope your feeling is good.